Hello everyone, we are IUP students of Geophysics Engineering, 10 November Institute of Technology from Structural Geological class. My name is Laksmita and my groupmate
Timothy.
Naturalika Zagastia.
and Devsi Hombing. So in this video, we will explain about joint analysis using histogram and Rous chart.
First, in this joint analysis, we use 70 joint data in the form of strike deep northeast data. As we can see in this video, there are 70 strike deep data for joint analysis.
In the joint analysis with the histogram and Rous chart, only the stench of the joint is analyzed regardless of the signs and direction of the slope, so that this analysis will run according to the needs of the fractures, which can be analyzed as having a large enough dip or approaching 90 degrees. The acting force is lateral, since the slope direction of the joint is neglected. Then in the calculation of the joint that has the direction north 118 degrees is calculated equal to north 0 degrees east, and north 2220 degrees is calculated the same as n 40 degrees east, and north 115 degrees east equals north 65 degrees west. So all measurements are calculated into the interval north 0 degrees east and north 90 degrees east and north 0 degrees west and north 90 degrees west.
Because all measurements are calculated into the interval north 0 degrees east until north 90 degrees east and north 0 degrees west until north 90 degrees west. So based on the previous data that we have, we split into two tables. The first one is table for northeast data, and the second one is for northwest data.
The northeast table data is on the left side, and for the northwest data is on the right side. And for the northeast data, there are 29 data and 41 data for the northwest.
In conducting the joint analysis, a joint measurement table based on the direction is needed. We have to create 5-degree intervals, calculate the frequency and percentage of each interval, and calculate the percentage of each interval against all measurement. In this part, we have joint data calculation for northwest data. There are interval, torus, frequency, and percentage. Torus and frequency are same, but the writing form is different. For percentage, we get percentage from frequency divided by total data, that is 70 data, and multiply by 100%. So we got percentage data. Same as joint data calculation for northwest data, we also have joint data calculation for northeast. That we have interval, torus, frequency, and percentage. And how we get a percentage, it's same as the percentage in joint data calculation for northwest.
This the video of how to make a histogram. To make a histogram, the things that have to be done are make a flat axis for the joint direction and a vertical axis as a percentage. The flat axis consists of north 90 degrees west until north 0 degrees east until north 90 degrees east. Make a scale according to the interval or 5 degrees. Make blocks of each interval according to the percentage of each interval. There we can see this video how to make a histogram. Mm. This is the histogram based on data that we use.
Next, this is the tutorial for joint analysis using row chart. So first we make a semicircle in the top with the radius representing the largest percentage of the interval. So this is we divided into 18 segments first. Okay, this is on the flat axis of the percentage plot from 0% center. Outer radius equal to the greatest percentage, it is 13%. So next, the arc of the circle is divided according to the interval. If the interval is 5 degrees, it is divided into 18 segments. Next, we plot the muscular form according to the interval. For example, it's north 90 degree west until 0, until we back again into north 90 degree east. Next, we draw a circular arc with radius equal to the percentage of each interval from the lower limit of the interval to the upper limit of the interval. For example, the interval north 0 degree east until north 5 degree west. You can see here in this figure. Then we make a circular arc from the vertical axis, north 0 degree east to north 5 degree west with a scale radius of 3%.
The interpretation of histogram and Roche chart is we can know the direction of force. On a histogram, the direction of force is equal with the angle rate on the flat axis, which is the middle point between two maxima that is less than 90 degrees apart. Two maxima in this histogram are north 77.5 east and north 12.5 west. So we got the force direction in this histogram is north 32.5 east. In the Roche chart, the direction of the joint forming force is the angle joint direction read in the circular arc, which is obtained by dividing the two maxima, the interval with the largest percentage that is less than 90 degrees apart. In this Roche chart, the two maxima are 77.5 northeast and north 12.5 west. So we got the force direction same as the in the histogram 32.5 north 32.5 east. And if we want to form the folding axis, we just need to add 90 degrees. So the folding axis is north 57.5 west, and folding axis and force direction always perpendicular.
Okay, so the conclusion, we got the first direction of 70 joint data is north 32.5 degree, and for the folding axis, we got north 57.5 degree west. I think that's all for us. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.